So we're out here in Fayetteville. Fayetteville? Oh, it's right there. Fayetteville. And today is the MS 150 race. It happens every year. They've been doing this for a long time. We're out here volunteering with my daughter, my wife over there somewhere. You can see all here. We have a lot of stuff going on, lots of snacks and juices and hydrating them. We have big coolers of water here filled with ice. We have lots of pallets of ice back here, and over here we have just bikers coming in. That's the wife right here. She's the one who dragged me up here. That's the daughter who's the lazy one in the family. But you can see all back here is bikers just chilling right now, enjoying the refreshment. And we kind of done for the day, but let me just show you guys what's going on. So here we go. This is the line here where all the bikers lining up right here. They've been pouring in all day long. There's the medical area right here, and here you have where they can repair the bike, make sure everything is going good, check the tire pressure and all that kind of stuff, new tubes. And over here we have the area where they can chill out, put the bike down and do your stuff. More bikers, and you still have more bikers coming in. Bikes all over. You can hear guys are hurting.
Do you want me to bring the car?
No, wait. I'm pumped. Bikes. Bikers heading out and bikers coming in for refreshment.
Look at that little one.
Young biker. Youngest biker he's seen. More bikers. Oh, this is cool. I like this.